In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Cloudflare Not Verifying. If you're having trouble getting your account verified, don't worry, you're not alone. This issue can be frustrating, but it's usually pretty straightforward to resolve when you know the steps. Whether you're dealing with a verification email that hasn't come through, or you're running into trouble with the verification link itself, I'll walk you through the process so you can get back on track quickly. Let's dive in and get it sorted. The first thing you'll want to do is look for the Resend verification option. You can generally find this in the email request section or wherever the verification prompt is displayed. Clicking this option will trigger a new email to be sent to you. It's an easy step, but make sure you don't overlook it because sometimes the issue is as simple as the initial email getting lost or delayed. Once you've clicked that, head over to your email inbox. Check for the new verification link that Cloudflare will have sent you. If you don't see it right away, don't forget to check your spam or junk folder. Emails like this can sometimes get flagged as spam by mistake. If it's still not there, give it a minute or two before refreshing your inbox. There might just be a slight delay. Now, if you don't want to wait, or if the email still hasn't come through, there's another way to manually trigger the verification email from your account. Log into your Cloudflare account and navigate to your profile. You'll find this in the account settings or the profile management section. Once you're there, look for an option that says Send Verification Email. Clicking this will issue a fresh verification link directly from your account dashboard. This is a great fallback if you're not seeing the email arrive through the initial resend option. When you receive the email and open it, you'll find the verification link inside. Go ahead and click on it. This should complete the verification process in most cases. However, if you run into any issues with the link not working, don't worry. There are a few workarounds you can try. First, switch to a different browser. Sometimes the browser you're using can cause issues, especially if it has conflicting extensions or cached data. Try opening the link in a browser you don't usually use. For example, if you're using Chrome and it's not working, try Firefox, Edge, or Safari instead. If switching browsers doesn't resolve the issue, the next step is to open the verification link in a private browsing window, also called an incognito window. This mode disables cached data and prevents session conflicts, which are common causes of verification issues. To do this, open your browser, find the option to open a private or incognito window, and paste the verification link directly into the URL bar. Finally, complete the verification process from within that private browsing window. This should bypass any lingering issues and allow you to successfully verify your account. And that's it. Following these steps should resolve most issues you might encounter when Cloudflare isn't verifying your account. If you're still struggling after trying everything we've gone over, it might be worth reaching out to Cloudflare's support team for additional help. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.